Today, I'm going to recommend you the best anime list in this video. If you enjoy this video, please do like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new, then remember to turn on notification for more upcoming top 10 videos. So, without further ado, let's get back to the video. Number 10. Corpse Party. As 9 students prepare to say goodbye to a friend, they perform a sort of ritual, Sachiko Ever After, at their school during the dark hours of the night. Using paper dolls, as custom requires, they hope to remain friends forever no matter what happens. What they don't know is that this will send them to Heavenly Host Elementary School, a cursed place where multiple gruesome murders happened. Trapped in a strange hell, the friends must now try to escape in hopes of surviving. If you need a little more gore than what the promised Neverland has given you, this will be a perfect anime to watch while you wait for a new episode to drop. Number 9. Angels of Death. A young girl named Rachel Gardner has woken up in a room she doesn't know with very few memories. As they slowly come back to her, she realizes she may not be a good person. After a run-in with a crazed boy with a scythe, Rachel has only one favor to ask: that he strike her down by his hand. Unfortunately, Zack wants to get out of this strange building, but it's a bit of a puzzle. The deal is that Rachel will help him get out of this place, and at the end of it, he will kill her as she's asked. Each level has something creepy about it, but what's truly messed up is the background story of each character you learn as the series goes on. Number 8. Terror in Resonance. Painted in red, the word "one" is all that is left behind after a terrorist attack on a nuclear facility in Japan. The government is shattered by their inability to act, and the police are left frantically searching for ways to crack down the perpetrators. The public are clueless until, 6 months later, a strange video makes its way onto the internet. In it, 2 teenage boys who identify themselves only as Sphinx directly challenge the police, threatening to cause destruction and mayhem across Tokyo. Unable to stop the mass panic quickly spreading through the city and desperate for any leads in their investigation, the police struggle to act effectively against these terrorists, with Detective Kenjiro Shibazaki caught in the middle of it all. Number 7. From the New World. A series set in a fictional Japan 1000 years post-modern era, From the New World revolves around Saki Watanabe, a young girl who lives in a society where people have awakened their psychic powers, and she obtains this special ability at the age of 12. She attends Sage Academy with her friends to learn more about the power. Without being aware, the village is monitoring their performance. They will be removed if they get poor performance. Later on, they suddenly encounter a mythical creature who reveals them the dark secrets about the horrifying world of psychic powers. While the anime provides a futuristic setting and a thrilling premise about the wonders of psychic powers, the dark fantasy series is rather intensely gripping when it comes to the fierce angles of its incredibly good storytelling. Number 6. Puella Magi Madoka Magica. Everything becomes so enchanting when 2 middle school girls, Madoka Kaname and Sayaka Miki, encounter a cute creature named Kyubey who offers them a contract in which they will be able to fulfill their wishes, but in exchange, they will be granted with magical powers to fight witches and the great turmoil of the magical world. However, there are unknown circumstances that lie ahead. The anime is delightfully fantastic at first glance. The girls are undeniably cute with all their glittery and fancy costumes while giving off some Mao Shoujo vibes, but it doesn't just end there. As you enjoy this kind of cutesy stuff, it's a lot more surprising how everything brings you to the darkest side of the story. It bears some closeness to the promised Neverland. These adorable youngsters are thrown into the most difficult situation they will ever experience.
hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah. Fatal like a gun.
Number 5. Psycho-Pass. Justice and the enforcement of it has changed. In the 22nd century, Japan enforces the Sybil system, an objective means of determining the threat level of each citizen by examining their mental state for signs of criminal intent, known as their Psycho-Pass. Inspectors uphold the law by subjugating, often with lethal force, anyone harboring the slightest ill will. Alongside them are enforcers, jaded inspectors that have become latent criminals, granted relative freedom in exchange for carrying out the inspector's dirty work. Into this world steps Akane Tsunemori, a young woman with an honest desire to uphold justice. However, as she works alongside veteran enforcer Shinya Kogami, she soon learns that the Sybil system's judgments are not as perfect as her fellow inspectors assume. Number 4. Erased. When tragedy is about to strike, Satoru Fujinuma finds himself sent back several minutes before the accident occurs. The detached 29-year-old manga artist has taken advantage of this powerful yet mysterious phenomenon, which he calls revival, to save many lives. However, when he is wrongfully accused of murdering someone close to him, Satoru is sent back to the past once again, but this time to 1988, 18 years in the past. Soon, he realizes that the murder may be connected to the abduction and killing of one of his classmates, the solitary and mysterious Keo Hinazuki, that took place when he was a child. This is his chance to make things right. Number 3. Monster. Dr. Kenzo Tenma, an elite neurosurgeon recently engaged to his hospital director's daughter, is well on his way to ascending the hospital hierarchy. That is until one night, a seemingly small event changes Dr. Tenma's life forever. While preparing to perform surgery on someone, he gets a call from the hospital director telling him to switch patients and instead perform life-saving brain surgery on a famous performer. His fellow doctors, fiancé, and the hospital director applaud his accomplishment, but because of the switch, a poor immigrant worker is dead, causing Dr. Tenma to have a crisis of conscience. So when a similar situation arises, Dr. Tenma stands his ground and chooses to perform surgery on the young boy Johann Liebert instead of the town's mayor. Number 2. Made in Abyss. The depth of the abyss is risky and fatal. However, two hopeful children named Reg and Rico decide to delve deeper into the pits of the abyss. While Rico's goal is to find her mother, a popular white whistle who is believed to be in the depth of abyss, Reg accompanies Rico to help her throughout her venture while searching for the truth about his origin. Made in Abyss allows you to explore the depth of its world by using a beautifully aesthetic and well-saturated setting. That being said, you may not guess that the thrilling venture of the two adorable kids would lead you to sorrow, heartaches, and anxiety as you encounter deep mysteries and everything that is non-existential on the surface of the world. As they go on with their journey, they also suffer at the same time, though giving up their soul is the only choice. Similar to The Promised Neverland, their dark adventures are nerve-stimulating. Number 1. Steins Gate. The self-proclaimed mad scientist Rintaro Okabe rents out a room in a rickety old building in Akihabara, where he indulges himself in his hobby of inventing prospective future gadgets with fellow lab members, Mayuri Shina, his airheaded childhood friend, and Hashida Itaru, a perverted hacker nicknamed Taru. The three pass the time by tinkering with their most promising contraption yet, a machine dubbed Tape Phone Microwave, which performs the strange function of morphing bananas into piles of green gel. Though miraculous in itself, the phenomenon doesn't provide anything concrete in Okabe's search for a scientific breakthrough, that is, until the lab members are spurred into action by a string of mysterious happenings before stumbling upon an unexpected success. The phone microwave can send emails to the past, altering the flow of history.
All the feelings that we shared are in the past.